Mark? Hey, Mark, over here.
Oh, Sarah. Hi.
How are you feeling? Today's the big day.
Oh, nervous. Really nervous.
It's your first day at the new school, right?
Yes. First day, new school, new people. Everything is new.
I remember my first day. I was terrified.
Really? You seem so confident now.
Now, yes, but on my first day, I almost turned around and went home.
You did?
Almost. I stood outside the building for 10 minutes, just staring at the door.
What stopped you from leaving?
I remembered why I was there. To learn, to grow, to meet new people.
That's what I need to remember too.
Exactly. So, tell me, what are you most nervous about?
Everything. Nervous laugh. But mostly finding my classroom.
Ah, navigation. That's normal.
What if I get lost? What if I walk into the wrong classroom?
Then you say, sorry, wrong room, and leave. Simple.
It sounds simple when you say it.
It is simple. Everyone gets lost on their first day, even teachers.
Really?
Really? I once saw a new teacher walk into the wrong staff room.
Okay, that makes me feel a little better.
Good. What else worries you?
Meeting new classmates? What if they don't like me?
What if they do like you?
I didn't think about that.
Most people are nervous on the first day. Everyone wants to make friends. Everyone wants to fit in.
So they're just as nervous as me?
Probably more nervous. At least you have me to talk to right now.
That's true. Thank you for meeting me here.
Of course. That's what friends do.
So, what should I do when I walk in?
Walk in with confidence. Head up. Smile.
What if I don't feel confident?
Fake it until you make it. Seriously, even if you're nervous inside, act confident outside.
Fake confidence.
Yes, your body language affects how people see you and how you see yourself.
Okay. Head up. Smile. Act confident.
Exactly. And introduce yourself.
How do I introduce myself?
Simple. Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
That's it?
That's it. Keep it simple. Don't overthink it.
Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. See, you can do this.
Okay, I can do this.
You can. Now, let me give you some practical tips.
Please, I need all the help I can get.
Tip number 1, arrive early.
Early? But I'm already nervous enough.
Arriving early is better. You can find your classroom without rushing. You can choose a good seat, and you won't walk in when everyone is already there.
That makes sense. Less pressure.
Exactly. Tip number 2, sit in the middle.
The middle?
Yes. Not front, not back. Middle is perfect.
Why?
Front row is for very confident students or very serious students. Back row is for people who want to hide. Middle is normal, friendly.
Middle row. Got it.
Tip number 3, make eye contact and smile.
With everyone?
With people around you, if someone looks at you, smile. That's the universal language of I'm friendly.
Eye contact. Smile. Okay.
Tip number 4, ask questions.
What kind of questions?
Simple questions. Is this seat taken? Do you know what time class ends? Where's the cafeteria?
Questions start conversations?
Yes. Questions show you're interested in connecting, and people like helping others.
That's smart.
Tip number 5, listen more than you talk.
Why?
On the first day, everyone wants to talk about themselves. If you listen, people will like you.
People like good listeners?
Everyone likes good listeners. It makes them feel important.
These tips are really helpful.
Let's practice some sentences you might use today.
Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Is this seat taken?
Do you know where the cafeteria is?
What class do you have next?
Good practice.
Now, what about meeting the teacher?
Oh, the teacher. I didn't think about that.
Teachers are usually friendly, especially on the first day.
What should I say to the teacher?
When class starts, the teacher will probably introduce themselves. Just listen.
Okay.
If the teacher asks you to introduce yourself, keep it short. Name, where you're from, and maybe one interesting fact.
One interesting fact?
Like a hobby. I like playing basketball. Or I enjoy reading. Something simple.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm from the city center. I like playing video games.
Perfect. Short and friendly.
What if the teacher asks me a question and I don't understand?
Say, could you repeat that, please? Or, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
Could you repeat that, please?
Yes, teachers expect this, especially on the first day. They won't mind.
Okay, that helps.
And Mark,
Yes?
remember, teachers want you to succeed. They're on your side.
I'll remember that.
Good. Now, what about lunchtime?
Oh, lunchtime might be worse than class.
Why?
Because in class, I have to be there. But at lunch? What if I sit alone? What if nobody talks to me?
That won't happen.
How do you know?
Because you're going to be proactive. You're not going to wait for people to come to you.
What do you mean?
Look for someone who's sitting alone or a small group that looks friendly. Walk up and ask, "Can I sit here?"
Just like that?
Just like that. Most people will say yes. And boom, conversation starts.
What if they say no?
Then they're rude, and you don't want to sit with them anyway.
Find a other table.
Okay, that's fair. And once you sit down,
Once I sit down, I introduce myself.
yes. Hi, I'm Mark. It's my first day. That usually gets the conversation going.
Because people like helping the new person?
Exactly. People like feeling helpful. They'll probably tell you about the school, the teachers, everything.
You know what? I'm starting to feel a little less nervous.
Good. That's the goal.
But what if I make mistakes? What if I say something wrong?
You probably will make mistakes. Everyone does.
That doesn't make me feel better.
But here's the thing. Mistakes on the first day are expected, even welcome.
Welcome?
Yes, they show you're human. They make you relatable. Perfect people are intimidating, but people who make small mistakes, they're approachable.
I never thought about it that way.
So, if you accidentally call the teacher by the wrong name, or walk into the wrong room, or spill your lunch, it's okay.
Okay. I can make mistakes.
You can, and you'll survive them.
All right. I think I'm ready.
Almost ready. One more thing.
What?
At the end of the day, be proud of yourself.
Why?
Because showing up is brave. Walking into a new place, meeting new people, trying new things, that takes courage.
Thank you, Sarah. Really.
You're welcome. Now, let's review some important vocabulary.
Word 1. Nervous. Feeling worried or anxious. I feel nervous about my first day.
Word 2. Confident. Feeling sure about yourself. I want to appear confident.
Word 3. Introduce. To tell people who you are. I need to introduce myself to the class.
Word 4. Cafeteria. A place to eat at school. Where is the cafeteria?
Word 5. Proactive. Taking action rather than waiting. Be proactive and start conversations.
Word 6. Approachable. Easy to talk to. Smile to seem approachable.
Now, useful phrases.
Phrase 1. Nice to meet you. Used when meeting someone new. Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Phrase 2. Is this seat taken? Used to ask if you can sit somewhere. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Phrase 3. Fake it until you make it. Pretend to be confident until you become confident. If you're nervous, fake it until you make it.
Phrase 4. That makes sense. Used to show you understand. Arrive early? That makes sense.
Practice questions. Think about your own first day experiences.
Question 1. What do you remember about your first day at a new school?
Question 2. What advice would you give to someone on their first day?
Question 3. How do you usually introduce yourself?
Question 4. What helps you feel less nervous in new situations?
Good questions.
Mark, look at me.
Yeah.
You're going to be fine. Better than fine. You're going to be great.
I hope so.
I know so. This time tomorrow, you'll be telling me all about your new friends.
Maybe not that fast.
Maybe not, but by the end of the week, definitely.
End of the week, that sounds more realistic.
And remember, if it gets hard, if you feel overwhelmed, take a deep breath. Go to the bathroom, take a 5-minute break. Reset.
That's good advice.
It's okay to take breaks. You don't have to be on all day.
Thank you. I needed to hear that.
Anytime. And text me after school. Tell me how it went.
I will. I promise.
Good. Now, what time does school start?
8:30.
And what time is it now?
8:15.
Time to go.
Already?
Already. Remember everything we talked about?
Head up, smile, act confident.
Good. Arrive early, sit in the middle.
Make eye contact, ask questions, listen more than I talk.
Perfect.
Introduce myself simply. Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Excellent. You're ready.
Okay, I'm going in.
You've got this.
Sarah?
Yes?
Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. Now go. Your new adventure is waiting.
Okay, here I go.
See you after school.
See you later.
Everyone watching, remember, first days are always hard, but they're also the beginning of something new, something exciting.
Be brave. Take that first step. And remember, everyone else is nervous too.
You're not alone in feeling nervous.
And you're capable of more than you think.
First days become second days. Second days become weeks. Weeks become months.
And before you know it, you're not the new person anymore.
You're just you, comfortable, confident, happy.
So take that first step. Walk through that door.
Your future is waiting.
Good luck, everyone.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.